Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Richard Judge here. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to roll over the option trade on Open and walk you through it step by step. I'm also gonna do another trade, which is PSEC. That's another option that I'm in that expires today as well. All right, so let's just get into it real quick. So you're gonna click on Open, and we're gonna roll this selection over. Rolling down the river. All right, so we're gonna seal this one, the February 20th, as I stated, which is $7 call. They're gonna buy a couple of more contracts, which is gonna make it a total of three. Gonna change this to February 27th, and we're gonna change this strike price to $6. And go ahead and review the trade. All right, so I'm gonna pay $19. 260 commission, 4 cents. So the total trade is going to be 61.64. So you go ahead, review, make sure everything is right. So, alright, so 20. We're gonna go send this order. Boom, order sent. So pretty much it's working. Hopefully it fails. Right. So we're gonna wait and see what happens with that one. And then we're going to go ahead and go to this PSEC. Click on this one, which expires today. Alright, so we're going to roll this over. Now, my original plan from this was to do March 20th. Somehow it went February 20th the first time, and then I called to try to get it corrected, and they were unwilling to bust it. So I'm stuck with this. So anyway, we're gonna just make it do what it do. So March 20th is the date. We're gonna sell $3 call, same, and right, review. So the cost is $5 plus 1/3. So I'm paying $6.32 for this. So go ahead and just roll this over to March 20th. All right. So both of these orders are working, and I'll let you know they fill. If not, it is what it is. Guys, have a safe rest of your day and Friday. God bless you. Take care.